That acceleration is nice. I want to show you what happens when you use good high quality parts to create a build. This car has been built by Performana over here in Calicut, Kerala, and it is a perfect mix of cosmetic modifications along with performance mods. Of course, the build started in 2018, but over time it has got a lot of upgrades. For example, this entire body kit from the Fortuner Legender was installed on this car somewhere in 2022, while retaining a lot of the mechanicals which were upgraded earlier. First of all, this entire GR kit you see over here is official Toyota. That is the reason why the fit and finish of this is as good as OEM, because it is OEM. The kit includes the front and rear bumper along with this grille, as well as these Legender headlights and the bonnet. Now of course, this car is not only about cosmetics, it's also about actual modifications to improve its performance, where it's got a 2.5-inch lift from that Pro Fender suspensions that are sitting on these gorgeous looking black Rhino wheels wrapped around 285 section all-terrain tires. It also has this Safari snorkel along with an HKS exhaust system that reduces the overall weight by 12 kgs. Under the bonnet, there are also performance mods that will increase the power and torque, like a Stage 2 remap from Harmonix along with a aftermarket downpipe and a Sprint stock replacement air filter sitting inside the stock airbox, and there is an upgraded intercooler which is on its way. And to combat the body roll from the 2.5-inch lift, this car also has bracing to help it corner better and provide better stability and dynamics. Oh, and that yellow bar that you see is actually a Dr. Nanho Panhard rod which gives it better stability under high-speed cornering. And to make this heavy vehicle stop, there are also upgraded slotted and ventilated DBA rotors that have been paired with Nextzer Pro brake pads. It also gets the official TRD door cladding along with an automatic side step. Then on top you have a lightweight aluminium roof rack, and this is actually not a wrap, but it is actually a paint which is called Satin Pangea Green, which has subtle hints of red on the exterior to match with the interior of this car. But one of the highlights for me about this car is its interior build quality, where this leather work has been done 7 years ago. Now it of course does show a little bit sign of wear and tear, which is expected after so many years of usage. Not to forget that this car is currently sitting at 190,000 kilometers. That acceleration is nice. Now when all of that comes together, not only do you have a car which is incredibly gorgeous and unique to look at from the outside as well as the inside, but also something that performs very good daily as well as has the performance and capability to go off-road. Come join us to witness the coolest cars from across India on February 7th and 8th, 2026 only at Generation Speed.